What's up guys, it's me Geek. If you're looking for earbuds, I mean super cheap earbuds, then here we go. This is the 12 bucks Sony earbuds which I bought from Amazon. Yeah, this is the MDR EX15AP, as you can see. Okay, here we go. Okay, now let me open the box for you, and then now let me show you how to open the box. Okay, the packaging is good. The packaging is like frustration-free packaging. I am an idiot, to be honest with you, who's trying to like break the packaging. Okay, what is this? It comes with a warranty, I think so. There, that is my guess. How I can open this thing? Maybe I need this Swiss scissor to open it. Okay, here we go. I think so. These are the earbuds. Awesome. These are the earbuds, and what is this? Safety #1 priority. Remember to close the scissor, or you can get some injury, which you really don't want, isn't it? Isn't it? Limited warranty. Awesome. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Come on. Here we go. I mean, yeah, it's a simple, beautiful. I mean, to be honest with you, the build quality is much very beautiful. I mean, but I'm gonna put in my ear. I'm impressed with the build quality and tell you my first impression.
What's up guys, it's me Geek. This Sony MDR earbuds is quite good, but the only downside is that it's not good for, I mean, the sound seems a little bit like virtual sound or a little bit like surround sound. I don't know how to put it. I can recommend it, but it's not good for listening to music. You can watch movies or playing for games is good, but listening for music I can't recommend. I'm sorry, extremely sorry, I can't recommend. The sound is bad in easy, but I don't like it. That's all I can say. Subscribe and buy, but still there will be affiliate link in the description box below. You can buy something else to support me. I wanna be honest here, I can't recommend.
Allah faham beli